Hey y'all, thanks for joining us on TK's Travels. This is quick tip number 4. Coleman Bayside Elite, we have a toolbox right underneath our step door, and this is where we keep the stuff that we're going to need right when we pull up to park, like our crank. As we were packing up to leave, TK noticed that one of the hinges was busted on the door. It's going to be a pretty easy fix. We're going to use a propane torch, putty knife, probably a pair of pliers, and then the rivet gun to attach these 2 rivets. TK uses the putty knife to pop out the old rivets from the main part of the box, but that's just a little bit harder in the hinge part, so he uses a blowtorch to heat it up, and then he uses a really fine drill bit on his drill to just drill out the rivet. He repeats this process with the other side, and then he's ready to put in the new rivets. Now that he's all ready, he just puts the larger end into the holes, lines them both up, and attaches the rivet with his rivet tool. And he does the exact same thing with the other side. And it's as good as new. If y'all like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And to follow us along on our adventures, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.